Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to do a twist on an eggnog. An eggnog, of course, is a traditional Christmas drink, and as you might know, it's usually made with a lot of dairies, cream and eggs, and it's very rich in dairy and also quite sweet. So I'm going to show you how to make it vegan, so no dairy and not excess sugar, and just do a twist on it by giving it a white chocolate type flavour and also putting some strawberries in too. So we get that nice Christmassy look with the red and the white, and this would obviously make a really nice drink to have on Christmas Day or at a Christmas party, or just as a refreshing drink anytime really. And it's good in hot weather too because you can serve it cold, which this version is cold. So I'm just going to start with half a cup of almond milk. Any plant-based milk that you prefer is fine. Now, just for the richness, I'm going to use coconut cream. So half a cup of coconut cream. Cacao butter, which I've melted over here. So I'm just going to put in about 1.5 tablespoons. This just gives it a bit of a white chocolatey sort of flavour, which is really nice with the strawberry. So you should probably melt this and just cool it a bit before you use it. So 1.5 tablespoons, so that's 3 half tablespoons. Alright, 1.5 tablespoons of cashew butter, so that gives it a bit more richness, and obviously cashews have a nice flavour and texture and they're very good for you as well. So I put in vanilla, and traditional eggnog is usually flavoured with vanilla and spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, so we're going to put those in as well. So 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Use good quality vanilla because it gives it a much nicer taste. So that's 3 half teaspoons. Spice, you put about half, or like a quarter or to 1/2 teaspoon of the spice, depending how spicy you want it to be. So I'll put 1 teaspoon, no sorry, I'll put 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So that's 1/4, that's 1/2. I'm going to put some nutmeg in, and it's best if you get whole nutmeg and grate it because you get a much nicer flavour from it. And you can grate in as much or as little as you like. But nutmeg, of course, is a very traditional eggnog flavour, and nutmeg goes really well with anything creamy. So it's good to put that in. Really Christmassy taste as well. I really want to drop the whole nutmeg into the drink. So if you do that, it's probably best to get it out. I've got that out and I've just probably grated in enough now. Okay, so just a pinch of salt just to bring out these nice flavours. All right. So now we just need to blend this till it's smooth. A smooth mixture. So I'm just going to take out about 3/4 of this mixture. Just pour it out. So I'll leave about 1/4 in there and put the rest in the freezer to chill. To this we're going to add about 3/4 to a cup of frozen strawberries. So it's going to give the nice strawberry colour and taste. I'll blend that now until it's smooth. Okay, we have a nice pink strawberry mixture. Pour that into any glass that you want to use. There's probably enough here for 2 of this size glass, or use a larger glass for 1 or smaller glasses for more. And if you want to do a lot more, you could double the recipe. Okay, so now get the other one out. Okay, so I've had both these mixtures in the freezer for about 10 minutes just to make them nice and cold. So then you just pour the light to mixture on the top. So there you have a white chocolate and strawberry eggnog. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.